Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a gallery in your Divi WordPress website. Let me log in into my demo website, and after that go to plugin sections. Let's install a plugin, and let me upload plugin file. Simply select the file and click open. Make sure that plugin file is in zip format, otherwise you can get error during plugin installation. So guys, here you can see this is the plugin. Name is Divi Superme Pro. You can get this plugin from the Divi official website, and you will get multiple modules with this plugin. As you can see, gradient text, flip box, text divider, and it has 50 plus modules that you can add and use in your website to make that professional design. Okay, now let's wait for a few seconds so that plugin is installed. Okay, here you can see it says I already installed that plugin. Then let's go back. Okay, I have the plugins installed. Let's go back to the pages and enable Divi Fuel Builder. We can also view this page on the front side, and here you can see on the top of every page, enable Fuel Builder. Okay, now let's scroll down, and here we can add a new section. Let's find plus icon to add a new regular section. Select here regular, then I can select one column row, then search for gallery. And you can also use this free module, but at this time I want to use this module Superme Gallery. Then select number of images. Alright, I have selected some images. So guys, here you can see gallery is added. Then scroll down and go to settings. Then you can enable lazy loading, then image sorting. Then you can also add some overlay on the image. Here you can see this is overlay. Then you can hide title as well as caption. Then scroll down and let's go to design tab. Then for the layout you can select number of columns. For example, you want to add 4 columns. Simply select here, and here you can see it has changed. Then scroll down. For the overlay you can change the color. Then let's decrease its brightness, and after that you can also customize and add the border around the images. Here you can see grid items. Now scroll down, and here you can see border is adding. You can also change border color. Then you can also add box shadow, and here you can see these are various other basic options. For example, you can add animations. That's great. And after that click on 3 dots and save it. In this way you can easily add gallery in your Divi WordPress website.